Hi there. I recently came across a video by the Bollywood actress Malaika Arora, and in the video she shares some of her DIY recipes for skincare. So one of them caught my eye. One of them is for acne treatment, and she says it's quite effective for her acne. So what exactly is it? So there are three main ingredients in this product that she makes. First one is cinnamon, the next one is honey, the third one is lime juice. So let's start with cinnamon. Cinnamon, yes, cinnamon has certain substances in it, like compounds in it, like cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, and these are proven to be effective against some of the bacteria. So it does go and destroy this bacteria. So that's cinnamon. Yes, I can put a tick against it. Then it's basically cinnamon is antibacterial. Then you've got honey. Honey is also antibacterial. There are many studies to show that it can fight against the bacteria, so that's all good. Number 3 is lime juice. Lime juice is a citrusy thing, and lime juice is extremely acidic. Though the visible layer of our skin, the pH of that is acidic, you've got to be very careful with lime juice and lemon juice, putting that on your face, because their pH is very low. It can cause harm to the skin, especially if you apply the citrusy any lime juice and lemon juice and go out afterwards, after it's dried up and everything, go out in the sun. The UV rays that falls on your face, that can actually cause a type of inflammation, and that inflammation usually heals by leaving some hyperpigmentation. What I mean by that is, let's say you've got bruised, when you're recovering, it leaves some kind of a black hyperpigmentation that's recovering. So that's how this inflammation will also recover. It leaves a hyperpigmentation. So you see, the citrusy fruit or lime juice, lemon juice, it actually works against you. First, it's very acidic. Number 2, it can actually lead to hyperpigmentation. So lime juice and lemon juice directly on the face, never. So those are the 3 ingredients. But the thing, those cinnamon and honey, those are the 2 good ingredients. You've got to be careful with anything which you just take from the kitchen and start putting on the face, because anything, cinnamon, yes, it is good, but then there are only certain compounds in the cinnamon that's effective on the face. There could be anything in the nature, it's made up of a lot of complex compounds. There could be some which are effective, some which are not effective, some which can actually cause harm. So if it's been formulated in the labs, you would just take the ones which is effective and leave the ones which is not effective. Yeah, so that's one thing to remember. And the second thing is, again, anything from the kitchen, not all cinnamon will work the same way, because it all depends on where it was harvested, which location, the season, and how it was stored. So there are a lot of, and the soil, all that matters. Not all the cinnamon is the same. Each and everything is different, and there are a lot of reasons for it. So we can't just put a blanket thing and say all cinnamon is good, because it's made up of complex compounds. Some will be effective in it, some won't be effective. And again, not every cinnamon would be the same, because it depends on various other external factors. So that's something we always have to be careful about when we go for any of these natural remedies. Cinnamon and honey, still yes, you might be aware of all the things that come with the natural remedies, and you can still apply it maybe, but not lime juice. Definitely not lime juice. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to quickly say in this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. At 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, we make skincare easy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel below. Bye.